This summer, the race begins. Climb aboard a real Metra locomotive and feel the power as you rocket around a high-speed circuit above Disneyland. Dash through tunnels of light, chase through bank turns, and cross the finish under a sky full of fire.
Emergency crews and route. All units, we got a derailment and multiple explosions at Morgan Steel. Get everyone back.
No. Oh my God.
Oh, no way. Is that a train?
It's the Metra at our party.
This is wild.
Come on.
Look at it move.
Go, Metra, go.
This train's got better moves than me.
Here you go, big guy. Fresh glazed.
Delicious.
Wait, what the? Yo, we heard there was a hungry train out here.
Bear's bringing donuts, man.
Open wide, 120.
With pleasure.
Chocolate frosted coming in hot.
Crunchy, sweet,
Sprinkle
thank you.
shot.
Got it.
Truck's not gonna clear.
Hold on.
Rising hiss, crackling flames.
Wait, we need help down here. Hold on. Get down on the train. Brakes?
I have to. Hey, stop that train!
Dispatch the local taking off southbound. Engineers not complying. Taking off the rails.
Morning train's right on time.
Throttle up. Yeah, she's rolling nice and easy. Wait, switch is set, right? Oh no, that's a market. Brakes, come on! We're not stopping! Whoa, metallic crash, glass shattering, people!
Oh my God! A plane! It's hitting the train! The cars are in the river, they're on fire! I can't believe what I'm seeing! Holy, this is unreal!
Go, Metra 120 rolling into the course. This thing weighs 70 tons and it's about to fly.
Look at the speed! Straight up the ramp.
Gosh, it's in the air!
Huge launch, perfect rotation, lining up the grind rail.
Sticking it,
And now
sparks
the
for
loop.
days.
This is the big one, upside
That is
down,
unreal.
coming.
What the? Smoke in the
Sir, is this really the Metra from Chicago?
It sure is. First time it's ever crossed an ocean.
Welcome to India. We're all huge fans.
Thank you. Glad to meet the community, to new tracks, and new friends.
This is a trip I'll never forget.
Same here, partner. Keep those photos coming.
Here she comes, Metra 615 heading into the city. Beautiful lash up. Oh, listen to that horn rolling onto the bridge now. Wait, whoa, look at the rail. Oh no, it's off! It's off the track! Oh my god, it's going down the hill! It's burning! Holy big explosion! Oh man, gotta get back!
Yeah, rolling in from Chi-Town, steel heart, no brakes, chrome shine under street lights, riding night waves. I'm an engine with a vision, rhythm in my pistons on a mission. Cry, listen when I whistle in the distance. Headlights flash, bass drop, we arrive. Trap town vibes, make the whole block drive. Wheels keep spinning.
This is it. Okay. Throttle, brake.
Got it.
Beautiful consist, perfect light.
Wait, what? No! We're off the rails. It's going over. Dear God. The whole engine's on fire.
Camera's ready. Welcome to the moon, 198.
Everybody in for the shot, say all aboard!
All aboard.
So is that perfect light? Whoa. Oh my God. No.
Incoming!
It's hitting the coaster!
Your morning ride just got an upgrade. Hop on Metra, grab a seat, and let the city roll by while you get a head start on dinner. With free pickup and low prices from Walmart, fresh groceries meet you right where your train lets you off. Simple, convenient, and a little more time to enjoy the ride.
Oh my god, it's off the rails!
Keep filming, keep filming!
Lieutenant, we're hitting the tank first!
Sweep left and right! Good, it's going down!
Hold it steady! Flames are out! We'll cool the metal and check the cars!
Can't believe we just saw that.
Morning, Metra. How are we feeling today?
A little sluggish, and my heart, engine, keeps skipping.
Let's have a listen. You hear that knock? It's just a clogged fuel filter. Nothing serious.
So I won't have to miss tomorrow's rush?
Not at all. Swap.
Fuck! Throttle's wide open! No! Brake, come on! Engage! We're not stopping! Hold on!
Come on! Oh, still, you beast!
Cab is empty. She's running away. Imminent speeds climbing past 90. Curve to make that curve.
Holy, that train just fell right off the bridge, and another one. Oh my god! It's blowing up. It's on fire! There's another one! Impact in 3, 2. Holy!
PH 197 is parked here. Engineer, can we get a horn show?
You got it!
What the? Get back! Get back!
Crackling fire, falling debris, distant alarm.
It's gone! Get it to the platform!
メトラの F40PH さあ104号で東京まで乗り込むよ。さあアクセル全開。東京だ。みんなにこの機関車を見せるんだ。
This is gorgeous.
Hey, 104, engineer, can we get a nice horn show?
You got it! Camera's ready!
Here it comes! Loud train horn!
Doing 56 on the freeway with the train. This is madness.
Keep her steady. Nobody pans well if we panic.
Steady? We're a locomotive in rush hour.
We need exit! Right shoulder!
Hello?
Hi there. Sorry about the...
Entrance. Could I get a double combo, animal style, no pickles, and make that a chocolate shake?
You drove through the wall.
Yeah, a little tight on the schedule. I'll pay for the damage. Fries extra crispy, please. Coming right up.
We're still at 78. Throttle's not responding. Try it again. It's jammed. Brake's giving me nothing. Curve ahead. 30 limit.
Dispatch, this is locomotive 216. We've got a throttle fault, unable to slow down. Approaching milepost 42, curve speed 30.
We need emergency stops.
Hold on!
Brakes. Oh, we're in the water.
Miles per hour, let's go.
You're blowing every red signal.
I don't care, full power, straight through the fence. Oh, the airport's right there. Whoa, collision, plane. Oh my, everything's exploding.
This is insane.
Totally worth it.
We're still climbing.
95, 98.
She's not slowing.
Yard control, this is Metra 500. Runaway. Clear the tracks. We're coming in hot.
Yard's dead ahead.
Hold on. Brake.
Is that a tanker on the spur?
We don't have a clear track.
Up in the air!
Here comes 186 coming through the crossing. Oh, there's fire on the deck. Oh my god, it's coming off the rails. No. Whoa, it's burning up. Call 911.
All right, guys, we got to do some train switching with Metra 2109. Let's do it.
Copy that, Kobe.
Hold up, she's coming off the rail. Stop! Mamba style. We're back on. Roll it out nice and easy.
Copy.
We're moving.
It's time. I've been waiting for this moment my whole life. I'm driving Metra 109 right to my house. Let's do it. Here comes a horn show for all the rail fans out here. 3 longs, a short, and a long. Classic. Listen to her sing. This is insane.
All right, throttle up. Let's get this thing moving.
We can do better than that. Full steam ahead. Approaching station. Reduce speed. Not slowing down. Moving through in no time. Curve ahead.
Oh no! Did you see that? The whole thing it just went off the bridge. Oh my God! Another one hit it. This is unreal.
Let's climb into Metra 98.
This thing is ready to roll. Throttle up. Here we go. Oh, we're flying. Wait, this switch. No.
Check it out, Metra 98. Let's climb aboard and see what she can do. All right, throttle up. Oh, that sound, we're moving. Mainline clear ahead. This is incredible. Whoa, wait, what is that? Train horn blaring, metal screeching, massive crash followed by explosive blast, roaring fire, debris clattering, secondary explosion, flames crash.
Oh my God, here comes another one.
I can't believe I just caught that on video. I can't believe this. Let's climb into Metra 85.
You got it. Hold on.
Train's on tires!
Good afternoon. Ready to check out?
Hi. Yep, just these.
Eggs, apples, got it. Beep. All safely aboard the bag.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Farewell.
Afternoon.
Hello there. Let's get you on track.
Just the baguette and lettuce.
Beep, beep. Straight into the bag.
Hard.
Payment received. Have a great
Hi
ride.
there. Hey.
Let's drive this big boy. Time to get in the cab. Throttle up, here we go! Whoa, no! Drop, hang on! That was insane. I can't believe I just lived through that. What a shot.
On to notch 3. We'll ease into the siding, pick up that cut. Looking good up front. Whoa, the truck's off the rail. Stay calm. Mamba mentality. Let's get you back on track. Back in business. Smooth ride home. That's how we do it.
Every morning, the Metra train carries thousands of plans in motion. And for Maya, a State Farm agent, it's the start of another day helping neighbors keep theirs on track. From quick policy updates between stops to sitting down over coffee when life gets complicated, she's here with real answers and real coverage.
Every morning, Metra carries thousands of stories. People headed to work, to family, to the places that matter most. And while the rails keep you moving forward, we help protect what you're moving toward.
Nationwide is on your side.
Insurance that goes the distance.